So I just came back from getting my haircut done, and I realized I haven't done any video on hair or hair products. So we're doing that today. Stick around. Hello friends, Ben here with another video. Thank you very much for tuning in. If this is your first time visiting this channel, I would like to encourage you to look around on the channel and see what we got to offer. We do fragrance reviews in this channel, we do footwear reviews in this channel, and we mostly review products that are part of our everyday life. So if you like to participate in that kind of conversation, I will encourage you to click that subscribe button and become part of the community we're building in this channel. If you're a regular visitor in this channel, I just want to say thank you very much for all your support. I really appreciate it. So in today's video, I decided to go over some of the hairstyles that I've been trying recently and some of the hair products that I've been using. See, most of my life I have been keeping my hair really short. I thought, well, my hair is curly and I don't know much about how to style it or how to care for curly hair. And just a few years ago, actually, I thought, well, in a few more years, probably I won't even have any hair to deal with. So I better enjoy it right now that I still have some. So I turned into YouTube looking for some guidance and some tutorials. I found some channels that they're really good. They do really good tutorials on how to care for your hair and all different type of styles that you can use and different products. There is this channel really good. It's called The Blue Man. This kid Joe, he does a really good job going over different styles. They even have their own product line that they sell through their YouTube and websites that they have, and it's really good. Unfortunately, all the styling that he does is for hair that have nothing to do with curly hair, and it is really difficult for me to follow. There is this other guy, Alec Costa. He does a really good job too, going through some different tutorials and how to care for hair. But unfortunately, he doesn't do curly hair too. And I think that's a shame because Alec Costa, he's actually a curly hair, a wavy hair guy. But his solution is just straighten it out. And once a month, he goes through the process to just straighten it out. And all the tutorials he does for hair is considered straight hair, so it won't work for me either. The other guy that I watch that he does a good job with hair is the Alpha M, Aaron Marino. He also has his own line of product that he sells in his website and his tutorials. He always promotes them, but also he doesn't do any curly hair, so it won't do much for me. I found some channels for ladies that they do some great tutorial for curly hair, but it's for really long hair that I also don't have. So for the little bit of hair that I have, I thought I can just keep it down with the hairstyle. Just do like a little fade whenever I get my haircut done. I found that fade haircuts are always in style. They are classic. They never go away. So what I've been doing is getting my haircut once a month, and this hairstyle of preference that I get for a haircut is this fade, where it's really short in the sides and kind of long in the top. And to keep the top hair style, what I've been doing is trying different hair products. This one here is by 1821 Man-Made Sweet Tobacco Spirit. This one is the paste that came in the package. Then they sent me with all their grooming products, and I really like it. All I do is I apply it a little bit and I rub it in my hair, just the same way that we did with the beer balm. The scent in this one is the same scent that comes with the with the fragrance, with the spicy vanilla scent. I really like wearing this one. It has a strong hold too, so whenever I apply it, it keeps my hair in place pretty much all day without giving me a crunchy hair. I don't really think that crunchy hair is a good thing. I really dislike that, and the products that will give me that crunchiness in the hair, I try to stay away from them. This one doesn't do that, and smell great, so I really like it. And I have tried other products too. This one here is by American Crew. Is very inexpensive, really easy to find. I think I found this one in my local Walgreens, my local drugstore. And I have this one here by Garnier too. I like the scent of this one. It smells kind of fresh, and it has a strong hold too. Now the other type of hair product that I use are the styling products, and probably my favorite is this serum here that I apply to prevent dryness in the hair. I apply this one with my hair still kind of wet, just out of the shower, just a little bit damp, and I'll just apply it a little bit. The suggestion says the size of a coin is all you need, and this one does a really good job. It is non-scent, so it doesn't conflict with the scent of the styling product. I like this one. It lasts all day. Whenever I don't wear this one, I try to wear this one at least 5 days out of the week. But when I don't do this one, the one that I choose is just the regular standard coconut oil, and I do this coconut oil probably once a week. And when I don't do the coconut oil, I do the argan oil from Morocco. This one is a really good. I like the scent on this one, and the scent of this one actually I found that it works really well with some of the fragrance that I have, and I kind of enhance the smell. I really like it. I don't wear this one too much because I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I don't wear this one too much because whenever I do it, my hair starts developing kind of like a neglected look, like I haven't washed my hair for a long time, and I don't really like that. So I try to only wear like a once a week or once every 2 weeks. But it is really good. I really like it, and I will actually recommend it. So that's what I have for hair product and pre-styling product. So if you have any tips and tricks on how to deal with curly hair or with any hair, and for that matter, I will appreciate if you share them with us in a comment. And I will also appreciate if you consider to connect with me in other social media platforms. I will make all the links available for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And I will also appreciate if you consider to share the content of this channel with other people you may know. It will enjoy this kind of conversation. So that's all for me now. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.